Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to restrict a group chat on Messenger using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, so whatever browser that you are using, and you want to search for messenger.com. Okay? So I recommend opening or log in your account here using the messenger. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the group chat that you want to restrict. And now, as you can see here at the right side of the group chat name, at the left side of your screen, you can see the three little dots. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that and click on report. So just go ahead and click on any of this, but I'm just gonna click on scams. So as you can see, there's no option to restrict this group chat, right? So you want to choose the ignore conversation. So the conversation will be moved to spam and you won't receive notifications from it. Okay, so just go ahead and choose that. And now just go ahead and click on ignore conversation. So now when you check on your message requests, you can see that group chat at the spam section. Okay, so that's it. That is how you restrict a group chat on Messenger. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.